Good morning, students. Today we will study the stanza 3 and stanza 4 of the poem Tartary, written by Walter de la Mare. As we have already studied that it is an imaginary poem, the poet here is imagining himself as the king and he feels that everything belongs to him and he will only be there as the king in the kingdom. So, as we have studied that he wants uh, to be the king of the kingdom of Tartary, and he feels that in my kingdom peacocks will be there, tigers will be there, and whenever meals will be there, the trumpeters will call me, and in the evening the lamps will be shining, and the sweet music of mandolin will be played, and that will make him happy. So here in the next stanza, we would study that it is written, if I were Lord of Tartary, I would wear a robe of beads. Robe means the clothing that he is going to wear as a king. It will be made of beads. Beads means pearls, and those pearls will be of white, gold, and green in color. The size of those beads, those pearls will be small and as thick as seeds. Then he says, and ere should wane the morning star. So he says that I am going to wear a robe that will be made of white, gold, and green colored beads. Then he says, when in the morning star will not be gone, I would wake up very early in the morning and wear my robe and take my sword. Scimitar here is the sword. So he will take his sword and with his car that will be drawn by the zebras. Zebras, mainly the carts were drawn by the horses in the earlier days. But he imagines that my car would be drawn by 7 zebras and he will ride on it and he will, with that he will go through the dark glades. Glades means the dark grass of his kingdom, that is Tartary. So here again he is imagining himself with the 7 zebras cart. Now, in the stanza 4, it is there, Lord of the fruits of Tartary. It means that he says that all the fruits that would be grown in the kingdom of Tartary will belong to me. I will be only the owner of those fruits that will be in the kingdom of Tartary. Her rivers is silver pale. So the color of the rivers will be in silver color. Mainly the rivers have the bluish color, but he says that the color of the rivers will be silver pale. And he would be the lord of the hills. So he says that I would be the lord of the fruits, I would be the lord of the trees, I would be the lord of the hills of Tartary. The glen, the thicket, the wood, and the dale, everything would belong to him, and nobody else will be the owner of those things. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze, and all the stars and all the breeze that is full of beautiful smell will all belong only to him. Her birds delighting citron trees, and the birds will also be delighted with the beautiful smell and beautiful taste of the trees and the flowers. Citron means the fruits that have a citric acid in it, for example, the oranges and some berries. So they will also be delighted, means the birds will also enjoy the fruits of those trees and there will be happiness all around. He and the birds will only be the owner of those fruits of the trees. And in every purple bale means bale here means the or in the purple valley. So these all things that the poet is talking about are all imaginary. He is just imagining everything. It may be true and may not be true because in those days you cannot say that all the things are imaginary. but some of the things are mainly imaginary, like the fruits will be his and all that. So in those times, the kings used to wear robes that were of beads and gold also. So few things that the poet is imagining are totally imaginary, and some of the things may be real. So this is all about the poem.